All right, happy Tuesday. Eric with The Loop, here to talk about a tech tip. We actually posted a video on OS 3.0, talked a little bit about its functionality, what it is, and Kevin gave us a post down below and said, guys, you talked about it, but you didn't actually give us any tech tips. We need some tech tips on it. So we're actually going to give you double today. We're going to give you 2 tech tips on OS 3.0. 2 really, really cool features. One is on customization of the interface. The other is on customization of lighting scenes. 2 things super powerful to make your Control 4 system work even better for you. Okay. First one, when you're looking at that interface in OS 3.0, a huge benefit they added was the ability to have favorite pages. So right now I'm under the home cinema. I have all these different icons available. What I can do is I can take any one of these and save it to my favorite page. So for example, let's say this is actually on my nightstand and I'm using the alarm, the wake up and good night function. I can actually press and hold on that, and right here we can actually add it right to our favorites. Just pressing and holding, arrange favorites from right there. Okay, gives us the option here. We can X them out, remove them, add them, all right from this screen. Very, very powerful. Really cool for those people that want to customize that interface, put specific features on certain pages. Okay, that's your first tech tip. Second one, many people don't even know about this feature. It's super powerful. It talks about lighting scenes. So when we go into lighting scenes, okay, we actually have scenes highlighted here, okay? What I can do is I can click this pen up in the corner, click that pen, select on the lighting scene that I'm looking to customize. So right here I have all on. I'll go ahead and customize that. Here are all of the lights that are in this lighting scene. What I can do is I can not only go through and slide these across to adjust that lighting scene, but then there's 2 really important buttons at the top that you should definitely be made aware of. One is this little camera icon. This is a really, really cool feature because let's say you have your kitchen that has 15 lights. You know how you want it to look, but you don't know the specifics of it. What you can do is you could actually go into your kitchen scene, walk into your kitchen, set the lights exactly how you want them, and then you just take a snapshot. And that will then save all of the lights that are part of that scene right there. The other thing is, you can go the other way and say, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and customize this lighting scene with the different levels that I'm looking for, and then hit the eye icon in the other corner. That eye icon will give you the ability to then see what that scene looks like before nexting and saving that scene. All right, 2 good tips on 3.0. Stay tuned. Obviously, there are new versions coming out with some other enhancements. We'll be talking about those. And also a big update on CEDIA Expo and a bunch of updates from all of our different vendors there. All right? You guys have a great day.